Guys, magtatala ko ng story about Vince Alarcon. Tingnan mo, mag-jowa reveal siya. Nag-reveal siya ng jowa, tapos ito yung look like. Kadiri naman, boyfriend. Boyfriend yung jowa niya. Josh Vince, congratulations to Vince Alarcon. Honey Bunch. So proud of you, my love, Yana. Huh? Nangangata na ako. Bakit boyfriend yung jowa mo, Vince? Te, dapat babae. Ako naman, tinawag mo pang Honey Bunch. Ayun na. Tapos love, Yana.